How long? How long will you take one step forward to Jesus and then 10 steps backwards away from Him? How long? How long will you make a New Year resolution and then eat back your words as the year proceeds? How long? How long will you fall into sin and remain on the floor of backsliding because you feel that you have tried so much and it's not working? For how long will you remain on that ground? How long? You see, Jesus is coming back again and is coming to take his bride away. When he comes, what will you tell him? Are you going to tell him that righteousness was so hard, then you remained in worldliness? Are you going to tell him that because your New Year resolution isn't working, you decided to quit? When the Son of Man comes, there will be no excuse. Please try. Please stand up from that floor of backsliding because the bridegroom is coming for his bride.